Why should you incorporate meditation into your daily life? If you watch this video to the very end, you'll learn about the benefits meditation can bring into your life. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Mike Vini with the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app team. We regularly share brand new videos and I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss this opportunity. The Relax and Be Emotionally Well app delivers guided meditations with a unique proprietary formula so that each one is inclusive, trauma sensitive, and uses transformational language to give you instant stress relief and deep relaxation. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There's a link in the description. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so please be sure to comment below and let me know what you think. First and foremost, meditation helps us manage stress and anxiety. By focusing on something, whether it be our breath or a mantra, and being fully present in the moment, meditation helps us cultivate a sense of calmness and tranquility. It also releases hormones like serotonin and endorphins that promote relaxation. Do you find it difficult to concentrate for long periods of time? I know I do. Meditation can greatly enhance your mental clarity and focus. Regular practice improves our ability to stay centered and present, allowing us to be more productive and engaged in our daily tasks. It also encourages self-reflection and builds emotional resilience. By bringing our awareness to our thoughts and feelings, we can better understand ourselves and deal with challenging situations in a more composed and balanced way. It also boosts feelings of happiness and contentment. Interestingly, meditation doesn't just affect our minds, but also our physical bodies. Studies have shown that meditation can lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and our immune system, and even enhance digestion. It promotes overall physical well-being. In a world where we often feel disconnected from our bodies, meditation helps us reconnect with ourselves. And through this practice, we become more in tune with our bodies, noticing any tension or discomfort and learning how to release and heal. Meditation has the power to transform our lives in incredible ways, from reducing stress to anxiety to improving physical and emotional well-being. It's a practice that allows us to cultivate inner harmony and peace of mind. So why not start today? Begin your meditation journey and unlock a whole world of benefits for yourself. For more information about the Relax and Be Emotionally Well app, please visit www.myrelax.app. Again, that's www.myrelax.app. We invite you to download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. There is a link in the description. If you liked this video, please click that like button and be sure to subscribe and share it with anyone who may find it useful. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.